Good morning, day 2, and we are now finally hiking the Zao Volcano. This station is right next to our hotel, so you get to see the trains pass. Looks like it's gonna be a good day. You can always trust vending machines to get the coffee that you need when your hotel room only has green tea. Thank you very much. We are on the trail. There's some snow to the right again. And just coming up here, I think we'll get a really good view of the volcano crater. Oh, I love seeing those. Look how close we got. It's so clear. And there's snow on the mountains still. Wow, Zowie. I'm hilarious. We have now made it to the trail that has no railings, so we gotta be a little bit extra careful here because it is straight down, straight down, and we are on an incline.
Straight into the volcano.
I don't think it's, I swear they said it's runoff though, so it shouldn't be acidic. It actually looks very refreshing. Look how high up we are! Actually, I don't know if you can tell, but we are literally in the clouds right now. Like, the fog is coming right past us. And I can no longer tell if it is fog or clouds. The valley is really nice. It's really cool looking. Oh my! It's a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna get much closer. As we approach more snow up ahead and the higher we get, I had to put my jacket on and it started getting a little chilly, even though this steep hike is keeping us pretty warm. But we can't see the snow right now from where we're at, but it's up here on the mountain with us, which is crazy. made it to the top. Unfortunately, it's a little foggy to see everything beneath of us. But we did it! There's this little shack at the top of the volcano. Wowie zowie. We found shelter after 90 days in the desert. Oh! It's like a... Wow! It's a shelter. Can I get up here? Less sweet.
I think this is if you like climb it during the winter. And
It's not winter, but I'm still This is the path back down. We just came down the road less traveled. That was a challenge, but we did it.
if you start running down that way, it's going down. So like,
Well, there's a path up ahead of you. Go for it.
like right around there, I was trying to stop. I was like, I can't stop.
My legs keep moving, but my body wants to stop. Yeah, oh, it's a jog back. Want to get one last shot before we finish our hike back down the mountain. We are going to check out that shrine at the top of this hill here. I don't know if that looks easy to you guys, but if it doesn't look easy, you are correct. I work out and I run, but oh my gosh, incline is just something different that us Floridians are not used to. Look at all these little pebble things. I love it. At last, the fog has lifted. It's so crazy because this morning we could literally only see to here, like this area, and now the fog has literally lifted and we see everything. We didn't even know these mountains were directly in front of us.